Biz, animals, nature, nature addiction.
We're getting closer. She demolishes her prey. She's spotted us.
There's the raptor, has the bird, has the fish. It's eating its eye out.
Squeaking.
Mind your biz, nature addiction.
Come on, mate. Let's get a closer look.
Closer look. It's a raptor.
You knew that nigga just get up and just fly straight over there.
Let's get a closer look, man.
Closer?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, man. We're good. It's eating.
Positive, mate.
Let's go. Where it's eating, slide, slide. Go. It's eating, slide, slide. Where it's eating. Go, go. Stop, stop. Stop, stop. Oh. Getting closer. We're getting closer, Dad. Video. It's an eagle. Look at it eating a fish eye right now. I'm saying, what kind of fish is that? Nah, chill.
Oh, shit, that nigga coming.
No,
that nigga coming. We out here.
Fool.
I don't want that.
Yo. Oh, it's about to fly with it.